Hi everybody, this is Mo from TeknoConsolas.es, and this video tutorial we're going to learn how to assemble the PS3 from the motherboard. The first step is we have to put the metal case on top of it. You have to see the parts to put them in the case correctly, like this position. The next step is to connect the ventilator box like this. The position is this one. You will hear a click if it's correctly put. And now we're going to put the ventilator on top of it. And this is the position. Now you have to put some screws. These are the screws, as you can see. When you put them, you have to look at the signal. Although the PS3 have some signals to know where you have to put the screws. So we put the 3 screws. Now we're going to connect the battery with the connector and plug it in. Now we're going to connect the ventilator and this connector. We just plug it in until it makes a simple click. Then we put it through this side to cover the cable. Now we're gonna screw these screws. These two. Now we turn down the PS3. And we put the metal down case. As you can see, this is the correct position for the metal case. The way to put it is have used in. Now we're going to put the protection for the micros. Put 2 screws. And we tighten them. Now in this step we're going to pull the back of the PS3, the black plastic with the connector of electricity. We connect it till the 2 marks get where they are. Now we get the bottom plate and we put the PS3 correctly following the sides of the PS3 case. We look backwards and we fit it until it's perfectly. First of all, what we're going to put is this cable. We're going to put it down like this till it goes to its place. We put the screw on top, and we tied it. And now we will continue putting screws on the different signals or marks. These two are different screws, and now we're going to connect these ones. The ones with the signals are different size. Now we're going to put the on and off button and the eject for the PS3 games films. The position is this one. Once we have put it, we put the two screw doors and now we put two other screws in these 2 points. Now we put the cable in the connector. We just plug it in and we press down. Now we're going to put the energy system. First of all, we have to plug it in and then put it in this position. Now we're going to connect the other plug. The other plug is this one. We press down and it makes a click sound. Now we're going to put these two screws. Once we have put them, we get these cables in this position, and now we put the two screws that go on the up front of the PS3 in the energy system. Now we're going to put the Wi-Fi and the Bluetooth model. First of all, we're going to put all the metal case. Like this. And now we'll put the cables. On the board. We just put them and they make a click. And now we're going to put in this connection. We just plug it in and then press a little down.